Welcome back, friends. This is Chef Walter with News You Can Eat 24. This episode is about sugar. You know, that wonderful ingredient that we all love, but I think we ought to be careful a little bit on how we use it. Sugar is a sweet addition to food that can cause a serious health problem when consumed in excess over an extended period of time. Sugar is also a simple carbohydrate that belongs to a class of chemically related sweet-tasting substances, and that is available in many forms. The three main types of sugar that you should know are sucrose, lactose, and fructose. And even though cells need glucose to survive, consuming too much can cause health problems. The American Heart Association says that added sugars contribute zero nutrients and are empty calories that can lead to extra pounds and obesity, thereby reducing the function of a healthy heart. Being aware of the existing and added sugar content in food and drinks is vital to the overall health. So many products have sugar added to them that in modern food market, people must take extra steps to avoid consuming more than it is recommended. The World Health Organization published new guidelines recommending that adults and children reduce their intake of added sugar to less than 10% of their total energy intake. A further reduction to below 5% is associated with additional health benefits. The term free glucose or free sugars refers to any of the glucose, fructose, and sucrose added to food and drinks, as well as the sugars that occur naturally in forms such as syrups, honeys, and fruit juices. The term does not apply to the natural sugars which is found in fresh fruit, in vegetables, or milk because there is no evidence linking these sugars to health problems. And so you can have a little bit more of that type of sugar in your body. A single teaspoon of sugar is around 4 grams. The recommendation today is that for sugar intake daily is 6 teaspoons for women and 9 teaspoons for men, which is equal to 24 and 36 grams respectively. And so let's use sugar in moderation and be careful when we consume it. I think that we should consider using sugar almost like a reward type. Let's assume that your child comes home with good grades. Well, there is nothing wrong with giving her that little bit of a cookie, but once in a while is important so that they fully appreciate the importance of a gift, so to speak. Okay? I don't want to overly alarm you, but you know, sugar leads to many different physical pathologies, and in this country especially, the majority of the food that we touch, consume, and is manufactured has hidden sugar in every one of the packets. So read those labels carefully and understand what the names are, because many types of sugars come written in different forms. And that is all for today. Subscribe to this YouTube channel on the Chef Walter Cooking School. And we also launched a brand new podcast, which is called Flavors and Knowledge. And it is available at every one of your preferred podcast platform. And if you want to have some sort of a topic discussed, send us an email and tell us what you think. We'll be more than happy to look at it. We'll get back to you, and we may run a new topic on it, okay? So keep your eyes on the fire, and thanks for watching. We'll share with you next time. Ciao.